Yes, Radhika. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you, Radhika?
I'm good, sir. How are you?
I'm good. I'm doing great. Anyway, Radhika. So first of all, I think I'm talking with you first time. As
Yes, sir.
generally, so I used to talk before joining of the student, and I used to talk with after completion of the entire course, Radhika. Generally,
Yes, sir.
so we have one format in the Rainbow Pharma Training Lab. What are the students are joining Rainbow Pharma Training Lab? After completion of the course, we used to take some exit interaction. I don't want to say that it's an interview, it's a kind of interaction.
Yes, sir.
Because I want to know that as a director, we have three branches. One is at Hyderabad and Bangalore and Vizag. Honestly speaking, nowadays it's very difficult to meet each student personally to come and to take a feedback from the student, especially. Of course, you attend all my course, you gone through my designing of course actually. So what are the branches are there in the three branches, they follow the my guidance only. So I think you attended my classes, you personally may not be meet face to face, but you're attending of my classes only, that, right?
Yes, sir.
So before leaving of each student, as a director, I would like to speak to the individually, personally, and to understand that how's the course, how whether this course really, to understand, and this course is really, useful for their career or not,
Yes.
because that is very important point. Because I have a long vision. We plan to start multiple branches throughout India, not only Bangalore, not only Vizag actually. So I'm trying to initiate the many branches throughout India. So your feedback is very much helps us to understand that how exactly student, okay, thinking about
Yes,
our
sir.
trying
Yes.
lab. So you just share your genuinely, transparently, because it is not a college. It is not. I'm not a principal. I don't have your marks or something else. Because in the college, whatever we don't share genuinely, generally in the college. Because if you share something negative feedback, they don't give the good marks or
Yes.
something else, right? But here it's not. It's a private organization. You came here to take a training, right? You just share genuinely. Exactly what do you feel about this training, okay? And
Yes.
before telling something about this course, Radhika, just I need a basic information from you. Where are you from, basically?
I'm from Rajasthan, sir, Jodhpur.
Right.
Hmm.
Really surprised. So, why do you come this much of far to take training?
Oh, actually, sir, I came for vacation
Oh,
here.
okay. So you came for vacation to Bangalore, right?
Yes, sir.
Do you have
Yes.
any relatives in Bangalore?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's the reason you came to the Bangalore.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So, how do you know about this Rainbow Pharma Training Lab?
I'm searching for such training program for a
Hmm.
long period, and
Okay,
then I came to know about Rainbow Pharma.
okay. So why do you search actually? So is there any specific reason search for the before joining to the any industry? Why do you search such type of training centers?
Yes, sir, because I'm interested in I want to learn about some practical training, and I want to learn instrument
Okay.
and
So what is your qualification, Radhika?
the masters in chemistry.
Masters in chemistry from Rajasthan.
Yes, sir, from
Okay.
Rajasthan.
May I know that what is the college name?
Lachu Memorial College of Science and Technology
Where it is located in Rajasthan?
in Jodhpur.
In Jodhpur. Okay,
Yes,
great,
sir.
great. I really see, excited to see you from Rajasthan. I have a few students from Rajasthan. You're not a first time actually. There is
Yes,
a few male candidates. Not, I don't think so. There is no female candidate. I've
okay.
seen there is a few male candidates. Okay.
Mm.
Yes, Radhika. So can you share entire the program? How do you feel? I think you undergone quality control training, right?
Yes,
There is a
yes,
2 months training, right?
yes, sir.
So yes, what do you feel, Radhika? How's the program? Entire the program? Just share your experience.
Yes, sir. I really liked it very much. Sir,
Okay.
your classes are very clear. It helped me to understand every concept from basic, from scratch.
Oh,
I have generally don't have any knowledge about pharma industry, and I
okay.
was worried about it that I will not able to understand anything or something like that. But your classes are really, really good, sir.
Thank you. Thank
I
you very much.
I understand it very well.
Okay.
It
Okay.
helps me a lot.
Okay. And what about the lab session, Radhika? For example, see, the thing is that why this rainbow was started actually.
Yes.
So I don't want to follow the what our education system is following. So I also MS analytical chemistry student. After that, I start my career in the CIPLA. After that, I worked in Dr. Days. So I don't have the much experience, honestly speaking, like 20 years, 25 years experience. I have only little bit experience, like 7 years of experience, 2 years in CIPLA and 5 years in doctorate days. Okay. And I'm not a doctorate, honestly speaking. I'm not done any doctorate here. Just I'm a MSc analytical student. Okay. So try to understand that, why this less qualification, why this less experience. I started this Rainbow Formatting Lab. There is a one reason. I understand it clearly within short span of time. I understand one point clearly. What we are studying in colleges and what we are doing inside of the company, there's no relation.
Yes.
And I understand one more point very clearly. What industry is expecting from student that we are not getting in our colleges.
Yes.
So I don't want to blame the colleges because they have to follow the curriculum of universities. Okay. And the thing is that what industry is looking the practical knowledge student, not theoretical oriented, because in industry, they give a sample to you and you need to do some lab session or practical session. Because pharma, in the sense, you should more explore to the lab. But unfortunately, in our education system, it's a completely theoretical oriented. Okay, so that's the reason here we design a courses completely practical oriented programs, right? So how do you feel about the lab practical? So you are very positive about my classes, which I taught into the classes, right? What about the lab?
Lab sections are also very good, sir. Pranjali ma'am teaches very well, and we perform every practical.
See, for example, Radhika, I'll ask you a straight question to you. For example, now if I give you a sample to you,
sir.
So you know that the responsibilities of quality control, you need to check the quality of samples which is received from the production department, right? Yes. For example, if I give you a sample to you, any sample, okay, can you perform alone all the test parameters?
Yes.
Essay by HPLC, dissolution by HPLC, HPLC and wet tunnels. Can you perform alone?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Without helping of Pranjali, without helping of anybody person?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. That means you operate all analytical instruments, right?
Sir.
Great, Radhika. Thank you very much, Radhika. And what about the planning? What about the job placement? What exactly you're looking, Radhika?
Sir, I am looking job in Gujarat and Rajasthan only.
Okay. So why is there a specific reason? Because you have seen many people came and joined here and got placed into the Hyderabad. Some people. Yesterday, Vignan, there is a Vignan Tamil Nadu student went for the yesterday in the hetero. Okay, we are supporting in the placement aspect also.
Yes,
so that's what I'm saying. So you want to work in Rajasthan or Gujarat, right?
Rajasthan, Gujarat or Bangalore is okay, sir. But Hyderabad is not possible.
Then what about the Bangalore? So why don't you attend the yesterday interview?
But priorities are Gujarat.
First, let me confirm that. Once if you okay that, what we do generally, we forward some CVs to some people. We are supporting in that particular area. So what I'm saying in the Radhika, don't think that this is only training center. Of course, it is a training center. It is not a consultancy. We don't charge anything for the placement aspect, but we don't want to see someone is ideal after taking off training.
Yes.
That is my major objective. So the thing is that, you have given a very positive feedback. That is okay. But when I feel very happy, once if you join somewhere, if you tell that, sir, I got an opportunity in so-and-so company, Pharma, Toronto, whether it is a Gujarat, whether it is a Rajasthan, that is your choice. But I need some information from you, like once if you step into the Pharma, let us know that. Okay, so that gives a lot of happiness to us. And the second point is that try to understand, Radhika, in further also, if you require any support from our end, okay, I think you have my number, right? So you can follow my statuses and everything. So I'm always update the status, WhatsApp status. You just follow that. Each and every student we cannot communicate, right? That's the reason I always update the status, so that you just follow the status. Whenever if any requirement is really matches to you, you just let us know for that. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much, Radhika.
Thank you so much
for your future.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.